MJ, what's this?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Black beans, I think.
It's not quite black beans, but it is a bean product. We'll find out in just a second. Welcome back to another Cooking with Mr. M and MJ. I'm Mr. M, this is...
MJ.
And this is... You forgot, it's Beaker, or you used to call him Euchre, which is kind of silly.
Wooker.
Something that rhymes with Euchre, anyhow. So, he'll be sitting here with his fancy orange hair. Today, our featured ingredient is red bean paste. Now, that sounds moderately healthy because you're like, sweet beans, right? Well, this is actually used for desserts because if you read the ingredients list, you'll see that it has 29 grams of added sugar per serving. So, don't just sit down and eat this can, you'll regret that decision. But we are going to make, do you remember what we're making, MJ?
Chinese haka.
Chinese pancakes, that's right. Let's do it. Alright gang, ingredients time. First thing we need is 150 grams of pumpkin puree, the thing you use to make pumpkin pies, 100 grams of glutinous rice flour, 100 grams of red bean paste, and some oil to fry. We'll be using canola oil. First step is we're going to put the pumpkin puree, all of it, into a bowl. And you'll want to add just half of the glutinous rice flour next. Don't dump in everything. We don't want all of it because you may not need all of it. So the rice flour is an approximation. We're gonna just keep adding little by little until we get everything mixed to the point where when you're touching it with your fingers it doesn't stick, which MJ will show you right here. She's got everything folded in. It just kind of falls away and doesn't stick to your hand anymore. After that, we're going to roll it into 10 portions. We would be doing 10 portions, but MJ spilled some of it, so we're actually going to get about 8 out of this and roll them into a ball and set them aside. After that, you're going to take your red bean paste. You need just a tiny pinch, roll a little ball of it, and then we're going to fold it into the middle of your pancake. So it helps to put a little indentation, and then you just fold it around so the red bean paste is in the middle and roll it into a ball again. Easy peasy, and you're going to rinse and repeat for each of these. Once you are all completely finished, we're going to wash our hands, and when MJ jumps off the stool, it makes a sound like this. Alright, after our hands are washed, we're going to go ahead and put a little bit of our oil into some sort of non-stick skillet. Then we're going to put each of our pancakes, I only did 4 at once, and we're going to fry them. If I were smarter, if you put a little oil on the bottom of the spatula, it doesn't stick. You can also flatten these with your hand, but I prefer to use a spatula. Once you've got all 4 of them in there, we're going to just let them hang out for a little bit until they become nice and brown. Go ahead and flip them over, and they should look something like this. Some of these got a little crispy because I'm using butane, and it cooks a lot faster, which I always forget. Then we're going to just let them hang out. And once both sides are nice and brown, go ahead and remove them. You can put them either on a wire rack, or I opt for plate with paper towel. And after that, you let them cool. Let's see how they taste. Alright, taste test time. So, MJ, do you think they look like pancakes?
No.
No, they don't look like pancakes as you think in the Western sense, but they're more like a dessert. What do you think, Goof? You like it? Basically, it's a dessert. Is that a thumbs up? Oh, it looked like a thumbs down. I was just like, oh no! So basically, this is a dessert. And it's not overly sweet. Even though that azuki bean paste has a ton of sugar in it, we're not putting very much in. So it's got that little hint of sweetness to it. I think MJ wants to go play, so I'm signing off for Mr. M and MJ. I'm Mr. M.
Hi, I'm MJ.
We'll see you in the next video.
Hi, welcome back to another Cooking with Mr. MJ. Mr. MJ. Okay.